You have been working for free your whole life, but what if I told you that you can get paid for working? Yes, you will get paid for every step that you take. And I know you might be asking yourself, is this real? Is this legit? Yes, here are payment proofs. People are making money. So in today's video, I want to show you on how you can get paid by just working. And this is not like Sweatcoin where you have to invite people to get paid. And if you really want to check out the video about Sweatcoin, the other way you can make money by just working and inviting people, check out this video right there. So without wasting any time, let's get down to it. But before you do that, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you get it. Shout out. So here's the app. So I will tell you the name of this app, right? So before you go to the comment section and click on my link and start using this app, let me show you on how to use this app, right? So here you can see so far I took 703 steps today, right? So the first thing that you're gonna do, right, you're gonna either use your Facebook account or your Gmail account, right? Use one of them, and also make sure you use this code, right? Make sure you use my code to get bonus, right? Okay, and after that you just get land on this, right? So the first thing that you're gonna make sure, right, go to settings, right? Go to settings and make sure the steps, right, the steps is enabled, right? So that this app will be able to calculate your steps, because if this is not enabled, you won't be able to get paid because it won't count your steps, right? If you cannot do that, make sure you just click right there and you go to settings, app settings, and make sure you enable it, right? You just have to allow the permission to count your steps, and also make sure your location, right, location is on. So right here on daily goals, you can just click right there and edit, right, range from 100 to 1 million, right? And after that, just click on save, right? Click on save, and then right here you can see, right? So the first thing that you're gonna make sure, right, make sure you click right here, right? Click right here and make sure you check in. So what I love about this app, you do not really have to watch ads every time. You do not have to watch ads every day. So when you're first starting using it, like maybe like for first week or for first 2 weeks, you will just watch ads, but as time goes on, you won't have to watch ads. So as you can see, right, this box right here, right, this box right here that is dancing here, I don't know, should I say shaking or jumping, whatever. So every time you walk 300 steps, you will get 1 coin, right? So as so far I can see right here, I have 195 steps. I have 195 coins, right? So if you convert it, is $0.33, right? So every time when you walk 300 steps, it will, like, you will see 1, 2, 602, 903, and so on and so on. Like for every 300 steps is 1 coin. So on lucky box right here, right, on lucky box, so just make sure you walk, just make sure the more steps you take, the more coins you will get, right? So if you want to get more coins, just go to task. So you can see right here, put in game, offer, complete a survey, invite friends, daily check-in on Telegram, daily check-in on this app. So you do not really have to have Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, it's fine. If you want to get Telegram so you can get more points, it's fine, right? So make sure you do that, right? So let me click right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna play ads or what. So you can see right here, it's not playing ads, right? Just click right here. So you can see so far now I've my points just went there, right? So just go to task if you want to get more points, and just go to bonus if you want to get more points, right? Coins, video, offers, and surveys, right, guys? So this is all on how to get more points. So on our fun part, right, on our fun part, when you want to withdraw, right, just go to redeem, right? Just go to redeem, or just go to click right here on cash out. So you can see right here, if you want to get $5, right, make sure you're gonna have to walk 3,000 steps, $10 6,000 steps, $20 12,000, right, and so on and so on. Even these offer these gift cards right here, right? So I can just go back right here, guys, and also when I click right here, you can see here people are withdrawing $10, $5, $10, $10, $5, $5, guys. So guys, this is all on how to use this app, guys. So if there's something that you do not understand, guys, please comment down below and I'll be available to help you on how you can use this app, right, guys. So if you want to know on how I use Sweatcoin to make over $1,000